Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the Class 6 Mathematics Annual Exam question paper. This video will help you understand the exam pattern, important questions and how to write answers step by step to score full marks. So watch the video till the end, practice along with me and let us start preparing for your Maths Annual Exam. Here time 2 hours 30 minutes, maximum marks 60. All questions are compulsory. The question paper is divided into sections from A to E. Section A comprises of 15 questions of 1 mark each. Section B comprises of 6 questions of 2 marks each. Section C, 5 questions of 3 marks each. Section D, 2 questions of 5 marks each. Section E, 2 questions of 4 marks each. First, we have Section A, multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option. 15 into 1, 15 marks. We have 15 questions, 1 mark each. So, total 15 marks. First one, what is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Where L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. See the options here. First one, length into breadth. Then 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Which is the correct answer? What is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Next one, the side of a square is 9 meter. What is its area? We have to find the area of a square. The side of the square is given as 9 meter. See here options are 18 meter square, 36 meter square, 81 meter square, 72 meter square. So what is the formula for finding area of a square? Area is equal to side into side. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Here side is 9 meter. So what is the area? 9 into 9. Side into side. That is 9 into 9 is 81 square meter or 81 meter square. So this is the answer. 81 meter square. The next one, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with the side 7 centimeter. Options are 14 centimeter, 21 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 49 centimeter. Do you know the formula for finding perimeter of an equilateral triangle? In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So, perimeter is equal to 3 into side. Here side is 7 centimeter. So, 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. So, correct answer is 21 centimeter. Next one, a pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. If you eat 3 slices, what fraction of the pizza is remaining? So, a pizza is cut into how many equal slices? 8 equal slices. How many pieces you ate? 3 slices. Then, how many slices are remaining? 8 minus 3, that is 5. So, what fraction of pizza is remaining? That is 5 by 8. Total 8 slices are there. 5 remaining. So 5 by 8. See here options are 3 by 8, 8 by 3, 5 by 8, 8 by 5. So which is the correct answer? 5 by 8. Next one. What fraction is equivalent to 2 by 3? Options are 4 by 9, 6 by 9, 6 by 6, 1 by 12. When you multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of this fraction by the same number, you will get equivalent fraction. Here, answer is 6 by 9. See, Now the fraction is 2 by 3. When you multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, what you will get? 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. So 6 by 9 is an equivalent fraction. Next one, which of the following is a proper fraction? Options are 5 by 3, 2 by 9, 10 by 3, 7 by 1. What is a proper fraction? In a proper fraction, the numerator is less than denominator. So answer is 2 by 9. Next one, the fixed distance from the center to any point on the circle is called. Options are diameter, radius, chord, arc. Which is the correct answer? Radius. See, if this is a circle, the fixed distance from center, this is a center to any point on the circle is called its radius. Next one, which instrument is used to construct a circle? Options are protractor, ruler, divider, compass. Which is the correct answer? Compass is used to construct a circle. The next one, before constructing a geometrical figure, drawing a rough diagram is helpful because options are it makes the figure colorful, it helps in planning the construction, it measures angles exactly, it replaces the need for instruments. So before constructing a geometrical figure, drawing a rough diagram is helpful because it helps in planning the construction. Next one, a butterfly has how many lines of symmetry? Options are 0, 1, 2, 4. See, a butterfly has only one line of symmetry. Answer is 1. Next one, how many lines of symmetry and angles of symmetry does Ashoka Chakra have? Options are 12, 12, 24, 24, 1, 1, infinite, infinite. Which is the correct answer? 24, 24. Ashoka Chakra, it has 24 spokes. So, number of lines of symmetry is 24 and number of angles of symmetry is also 24. Next one, a figure which can be folded into two equal halves is said to have. Options are perimeter, area, line of symmetry, angle. A figure which can be folded into two equal halves is said to have line of symmetry. The next one, which number is smaller? -2, -5, 0, 3. Which one is smaller? It is -5. -5 is smaller than -2. Negative numbers are smaller than 0 and positive numbers. Numbers less than 0 are called. Options are whole numbers, natural numbers, negative numbers, prime numbers. So numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. Next one, what is -8 plus 3? So this is an addition operation. Here two numbers have different signs. So what you should do? You have to subtract smaller number from greater number. So what is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then you have to put the sign of the larger number. Here larger number has a negative sign. So here answer is -5. Next we have section B. We have 6 questions, 2 marks each. So total 12 marks. Find the distance travelled by Pramit if he takes 3 rounds of a square park of side 50 meter. So he took 3 rounds. Then this park is a square park. Each side is 50 meter. So this is a square park of side 50 meter. We will see the solution. See, square park has side 50 meter. Then, first we have to find the perimeter of the square. How do you find the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Here side is given as 50. So 4 into 50, that is 200 meter. So perimeter of the square is 200 meter. So one round is equal to 200 meter. But Pramit, he travelled 3 rounds. So distance for 3 rounds is 3 into 200. One round is 200 meters. So 3 rounds, 3 into 200, that is 600 meter. So Pramit travels 600 meters. Find the length of the third side of a triangle having a perimeter of 55 centimeter and having two sides of length 20 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. So a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. Here the perimeter of the triangle is given as 55 centimeter. Then one side is 20 centimeter. Second side is 14 centimeter. We have to find the length of the third side. This one we have to find. So, perimeter is given as 55 centimeter. Length of the two sides 20 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Then we have to add these two sides. 20 plus 14 is equal to 34 centimeter. So, here perimeter is given as 55 centimeter. Then how do you find the third side of a triangle? We have to subtract 34 centimeter from 55. So, subtract from the perimeter 55 minus 34 is equal to 21 centimeter. So, the length of the third side is, here it is 21. Next one, express the following fractions in lowest terms. First one, 17 by 51. To express it in lowest form, see here both 17 and 51 are divisible by 17. See, 17 divided by 17 is equal to 1. 51 divided by 17 is equal to 3. So, its lowest form is 1 by 3. Next one we have, one more question is there, 126 by 147. Here both 126 and 147 are divisible by 3. See, 126 divided by 3 is 42. Then 147 divided by 3 is 49. Both 42 and 49 are divisible by 7. See, this divided by 7. 42 by 7 is 6. 6 sevens are 42. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So here lowest form is 6 by 7. So lowest form of 17 by 51 is 1 by 3 and lowest form of 126 by 147 is 6 by 7. Next we have a construction problem. Construct a square of side 6 cm. For this, first you have to draw a line segment of side 6 cm. Suppose this is PQ. For a square, all sides are equal. In this case, all sides are 6 cm. Then, keep the protractor like this. The center of the protractor must coincide with the P. Then mark a point to draw a perpendicular to PQ through P. So, you can draw a perpendicular here. Like this, you can draw a perpendicular. Then, using a compass, you can draw an arc here at 6 cm length. So this is 6 cm, this side is also 6 cm. Then again, keep the protractor like this. Here, place the center of the protractor at point Q. Then again draw a perpendicular at this point. See, here you have to draw a perpendicular like this. Then using a compass, you have to draw an arc here at 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Then join these 2 points R and S. This will be also 6 centimeter. Now you have constructed a square of side 6 centimeter. How many lines of symmetry do these shapes have? See, here 2 shapes are given. We have to find the number of lines of symmetry. See the first figure. We can draw lines of symmetry like this. How many lines of symmetry are there? See here 1. Then this is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So we have 4 lines of symmetry. Then see the next figure. We can draw lines of symmetry like this. Here we have 8 lines of symmetry. Next, we have a very easy question. Write the inverses of these numbers, -4, -3, +2, -1. So, inverse of -4 is +4. Inverse of -3 is +3. Inverse of +2 is -2. Then inverse of -1 is +1. Next, we have section C. We have 5 questions, 3 marks each, so total 15 marks. A rectangular coconut grove is 100 meter long and 50 meter wide. If each coconut tree requires 25 square meter, what is the maximum number of trees that can be planted in this grove? So this coconut grove is rectangular in shape. Its length is 100 meter and width is 50 meter. So, the length of the grove 100 meter, width of the grove 50 meter. Then, we have to find the area of the grove. See, area of a rectangle is length into width. So, area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Here, length is 100 meter, width is 50 meter. So, 100 into 50, that is 5000 square meter is the area of the rectangular coconut grove. Then, area required for one coconut tree is 25 square meter. It is given 25 square meter. Then, we have to find the maximum number of trees that can be planted in this grove. So, total area is 5000. Area required for one coconut tree is 25. So, the maximum number of trees that can be planted is 5000 divided by 25. That is 200. So, maximum number of coconut trees that can be planted is 200 trees. Next one, 4 by 9 and 3 by 7. First, we have to find a common denominator. So, we have to find the least common multiple of 9 and 7. It is 63. Then we have to convert the fractions. To convert 4 by 9 to a fraction with a denominator of 63, multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. So, 4 into 7 is 28, 9 into 7 is 63. So, we will get a fraction 28 by 63. Then, see the next fraction 3 by 7. To convert 3 by 7 to a fraction with a denominator of 63, multiply both the numerator and denominator by 9. 3 into 9 is 27. Then, 7 into 9 is 63. Then compare. Now we have 28 by 63 and 27 by 63. The denominators are same. Since 28 is greater than 27, 28 by 63 is greater than 27 by 63. Therefore, 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 7. Next, we have a construction problem. Construct a rectangle where one of its sides is 5 centimeter and the length of a diagonal is 7 centimeter. We have to construct a rectangle. One of its sides is given as 5 centimeter. Length of a diagonal is 7 centimeter. Now we have to construct a rectangle using this data. See, we have to construct a rectangle like this. See, one side is 5 centimeter, the diagonal is 7 centimeter. So first, step 1, the base CD measuring length 5 centimeter. We have to draw a line segment like this. Line segment CD or DC with a 5 centimeter. Then step 2, draw a perpendicular. Using a protractor, you can draw a perpendicular to line DC. See, suppose this perpendicular is L. See, now we construct this line and also we draw a perpendicular to DC like this. Okay. Now the diagonal is 7 centimeter. So we have to mark a point B. Here we have to mark a point B, and this B is at a distance 7 centimeter from point D. From here it must be 7 centimeter. Okay. So we will get like this. So we got this line, then construct perpendiculars to DC and BC passing through D and B. So you have to construct these two perpendiculars, one passing through D and the other passing through B. The point where these lines intersect is the fourth point A. The point of intersection of these two lines is point A. Next one, draw the following. First one, a triangle with exactly one line of symmetry. See, this is a triangle with exactly one line of symmetry. This is an isosceles triangle. It has two equal sides. It has one line of symmetry passing through the vertex and the midpoint of the base. See, this is one line of symmetry. The next one, a triangle with exactly three lines of symmetry. See, we have three lines of symmetry. This is an equilateral triangle. Here in an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. So all three angles are equal. It has three lines of symmetry. The next, a triangle with no line of symmetry. This one. This is a scalene triangle. Here, all sides are unequal. It has no line of symmetry. Next one, what are minus 5 plus 0? Minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5 itself. Then 7 plus minus 7. When you add additive inverse of a number to that number, we will get 0. Next one, minus 10 plus 20. This is an addition problem. Here, the signs are different. So, we have to subtract smaller number from larger number and put the sign of larger number. So, what is 20 minus 10? 10. Larger number sign positive. So, positive 10. Next one, 10 minus 20. This is a subtraction problem. See, 10 minus 20 is a subtraction problem. You can change this problem to addition problem. That is 10 plus, then take the additive inverse of 20. Additive inverse of 20 is minus 20. Now this problem changed to addition problem. Then you can do addition. Here the signs are different. So subtract smaller number from larger number. Then put the sign of larger number. So here minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. Put the sign of greater number, that is 20 minus. So minus 10. Then what is 7 minus 7? See, 7 minus 7. So you can change this to addition problem. So 7 plus Take the additive inverse of minus 7. That is 7. What is 7 plus 7? 14. Then minus 8 minus 10. See, minus 8 minus 10. This is a subtraction problem. You can change to addition problem. So minus 8 plus, take the additive inverse of minus 10. That is 10. See here, the signs are different. So subtract smaller number from larger number and then put the sign of larger number. So this is plus 2. Next we have section D. We have 2 questions, 5 marks each. Total 10 marks. See, first one. Rohan ate 3 by 10 of a chocolate bar in the afternoon. Later, he ate another 4 by 10 of the same chocolate bar. How much of the chocolate bar did he eat in total? So, in the afternoon, he ate 3 by 10 of the chocolate and later he ate 4 by 10. So, total 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. That is 3 plus 4 is 7. Here denominators are same. So you can write the same denominator itself. So 7 by 10. So Rohan ate 7 by 10 of the chocolate bar in total. Then its second part. Next one, a jug contains 2 by 5 liter of juice. Another jug contains 1 by 4 liter of juice. How much juice is there altogether? See, 2 by 5 liter of juice. Another jug contains 1 by 4. So, total 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4. See here, denominators are different. So, you have to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So, you have to find equivalent fractions for 2 by 5 and 1 by 4 such that denominator is 20. See, first take 2 by 5. This fraction, for this fraction, you have to find equivalent fraction such that denominator is 20. So, 5 into 4 is 20. So, 2 into 4 is 8. Then, next fraction 1 by 4. We have to convert this into an equivalent fraction such that denominator is 20 because our LCM is 20. 4 into 5 is 20. So, what is 1 into 5? That is 5. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by same number. So, now you got equivalent fractions 8 by 20 and 5 by 20. Both have same denominator. So, you can add 8 by 20 plus 5 by 20 is 13 by 20. So, there are 13 by 20 liters of juice altogether. Next one, evaluate the following differences using tokens. We have given 5 questions. We have to evaluate these expressions using tokens. So, first one, see, plus 10 minus plus 7. So, you can use positive tokens here. You have plus 10 tokens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, you draw 10 tokens. Then, you have to subtract 7 tokens from it. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, remaining 3 tokens. So, plus 10 minus plus 7 is plus 3. The next one, minus 8 minus 4. So, you have 8 negative tokens and you have to cancel 4 negative tokens like this. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 negative tokens. You have to subtract minus 4. So, you have to cancel 4 negative tokens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 negative tokens are there. So, negative 4 is the answer. Minus 8 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. You can do like this. You can change the subtraction problem to addition problem. So minus 8 plus, take the additive inverse of minus 4, that is plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. The next one, minus 9 minus 4. So you take 9 negative tokens and you remove 4 negative tokens from that, like this. Total 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then remove 4 tokens, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negative tokens. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 5. You can do this like this. Change this subtraction sign to addition sign. Then take the additive inverse of minus 4, that is plus 4. So minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Next one, plus 9 minus plus 12. How is it possible? You have to subtract 12 positive tokens from 9 positive tokens. In this case, you have to add 3 extra positive tokens and 3 negative tokens, like this. Then cancel 12 positive tokens. So remaining 3 negative tokens. This is answer. Next one, minus 5 minus 7. Here also you have to add 2 extra negative tokens, like this. So you have to add 2 positive tokens also. Then only they will become 0 pairs. Then cancel like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tokens you have to remove. 7 negative tokens. So remaining 2 positive tokens. This is the answer. Next we have section E. We have 2 questions of 4 marks each, total 8 marks. First one, by splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. All measures are given in meters. So here a figure is given. You have to split this figure into rectangles and you have to find the area of this figure. So you can split like this. 1 rectangle, 2, 3. You can split like this. Now, what is the area of blue rectangle? See, here length is 3 and width is 1. See, area of a rectangle is equal to length into width. That is 3 into 1 is 3. Then take the yellow rectangle. Here, what is the width? Width is 3. Sorry, 1. Length is 3. See, up to here it is 2. See, it is given as 2. So remaining 1. Here total is 3. So here this width is 1. So area of yellow rectangle, that is 3 into 1, that is 3. Next one, third rectangle. Here width is 1. What is its length? It is given as 3. So area is 3 into 1, 3. So what is the total area? Total area is 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 square meter. Next one, suppose you start with 0 rupees in your bank account. Then you have credits of 30 rupees, 40 rupees and 50 rupees. And debits of 40 rupees, 50 rupees and 60 rupees. What is your bank account balance now? So you started with a 0 rupees. Starting balance is 0. Then you have credits of 30, 40 and 50. So credits 30 plus 40 plus 50. So 120. Then you have debits of 40, 50 and 60. So debits 40 plus 50 plus 60, that is 150. So credits total 120, debits total 150. So what is your account balance now? Final balance is 120 credits minus 150 debits, that is minus 30. So answer is minus 30. Your account balance is negative. Next one, suppose you start with 0 rupees in your bank account. Then you have debits of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. Then a single credit of 256. What is your bank account balance now? So first calculate the total debits. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 64 plus 128, that is 255. Then subtract the total debits from the credit. Here you have a single credit of 256. So 256 minus 255 is 1. So your account balance is now rupees 1. Hi everyone, all the best for your exams. I have uploaded question papers of other subjects also in my channel. Those who have not watched, please go through it. Study well, revise your chapters, write your exams with confidence. All the best for your exams. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.